Masi Bicycles Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Masi Bicycles isn't just another bike brand. You won't believe the quality and heritage packed into each model. Most people get this wrong by assuming Masi is only about high-end road bikes, but they actually offer a variety of options, from city commuters to endurance road bikes and even gravel models. Pricing starts around for entry-level road bikes and climbs to €0 or more for performance-focused models with carbon frames. Mid-range aluminum bikes typically sit in the 200 to 500 range, offering great bands between weight, durability and features. You won't believe how much thought goes into components. Shimano or SRAM Group sits disc brakes and ergonomic saddles are standard even on mid-tier models. Most people get this wrong by looking only at the sticker price. The real value comes from Masi's Italian heritage in design, ride geometry that balances speed and comfort, and reliable parts that reduce maintenance costs over time. For example, a zero Masi road bike often competes with zero bikes from other brands in terms of performance. In conclusion, Masi Bicycles pricing reflects a thoughtful blend of heritage, engineering and quality. By understanding the range of models, materials and component options, you go from zero to pro in assessing whether a Masi bike delivers real value for your riding style and budget. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, Masi offers options that make every ride feel smoother and more efficient.